Okay, I'm going to give y'all an update on what's been happening the last week here at the beach house. Remember this hallway that we had our washer and dryer in this little space right here? Well, now you're looking at the back of a shower tub. And you go through here, peek through the access, and we have our huge new tub shower kit in the master bathroom. The next thing we need to do is put up the water impervious drywall over and around the bathtub area. Then we'll be able to bring our toilet back in and hook that up right here. We're going to rearrange the wiring so that we could put lighting over the medicine cabinets that we're going to be putting right here. And then we've got two cute little vanity sinks here. And then what we're going to end up doing is creating a door between here and about right here, and then walling in the rest of it. And then we will be drywalling in this entry door that used to be the entrance to the master bedroom and bathroom, and then expanding massive amount of shelving units in this space where there used to be just one closet that had a header over it, which didn't allow for a lot of storage. And then if you go through the new master bedroom entrance door into the kitchen, you can see that we finally took down that massive, ugly, big old wall that was between the living area and the kitchen, which just opens up this whole room into one big, gigantic, great room. And then we've got our washers and dryers positioned here in the kitchen. And we were planning on putting like a accordion or folding wall in that is attached to cabinets right above it. But I'm sort of thinking some real pretty accordion, like a screen, a folding screen, wall screen, maybe on wheels so that we could fold it and push it back out of the way, and then pull it away and put it back up whenever we want to. We had Plumbing Solutions Incorporated come in and do all the plumbing work. They hooked up our washer and their dryer. We now have you can't see it from here, but we now have water to our refrigerator so we can have ice and water. So that's real exciting to have done. And then the plumbing company did one more thing for us here in the main bathroom. They moved the hot water heater that used to be over here, and they literally moved it about 2 feet. So now we're going to be putting the door back up and hiding the hot water heater, and then we're going to be tearing down this wall area right here, and then building a new wall that's right in front of the hot water heater there. And then we're going to be putting in an expanded vanity. I'm hoping I can squeeze 2 single vanities into this space. If not, we'll have to get maybe a single vanity with 2 sink tops, or get a single sink with a real wide counter space on either side. Either way, this is going to make the whole bathroom much bigger. And then once we get that done, we're going to be working on the kitchen area. This wall, Jim insists, is going to have to come down, and we may have to take down everything in front of this wall over to where the left edge of the sink is, so that we can go in and repair this floor underneath. We believe that a joist has started to bend or get soft, and so we got to fix that. But once that's done, pretty much all the structural things that have had to be repaired on this house is done. And then we can start doing the surface decorating, like putting up new kitchen cabinets, closing in the ceilings with new drywall, putting the doors back into the holes So this is really getting ahead now. We're really excited about the advances and everything we've done so far.